What's your name?
My name is Sarah.
Where are you from?
I'm from Canada.
How long have you lived here?
I've lived here for about 3 years.
What do you do for work?
I work as a graphic designer.
Do you like your job?
Yes, I enjoy it a lot.
Are you a student?
Yes, I'm studying computer science.
Which school do you go to?
I go to the City University.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have two brothers.
Are you the eldest child?
Yes, I am.
What are your hobbies?
I like painting and reading books.
Do you play any sports?
Yes, I play football.
Which team do you support?
I support Manchester United.
Do you enjoy music?
Yes, I love listening to pop music.
Who is your favorite singer?
My favorite singer is Ed Sheeran.
Do you play an instrument?
Yes, I play the guitar.
Have you traveled abroad?
Yes, I went to Turkey last year.
Which country would you like to visit?
I would like to visit Japan.
Do you like cooking?
Yes, I enjoy cooking Italian food.
What is your favorite dish?
My favorite dish is pasta.
Do you like movies?
Yes, I watch movies every weekend.
Which genre do you prefer?
I prefer action and comedy.
Who is your favorite actor?
My favorite actor is Tom Hanks.
Do you enjoy reading?
Yes, I love mystery novels.
What is your favorite book?
My favorite book is The Alchemist.
Do you like watching TV shows?
Yes, I watch sitcoms often.
Do you prefer cats or dogs?
I prefer dogs.
Do you have a pet?
Yes, I have a dog.
What's your dog's name?
His name is Max.
Do you like going to the gym?
Yes, I go 3 times a week.
Do you prefer tea or coffee?
I prefer coffee.
What's your favorite drink?
My favorite drink is iced latte.
Do you like shopping?
Yes, I enjoy shopping for clothes.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue.
Do you enjoy outdoor activities?
Yes, I love hiking.
Where do you usually hike?
I usually hike in the nearby mountains.
Do you like the beach?
Yes, I love spending time at the beach.
Do you know how to swim?
Yes, I can swim well.
What's your favorite season?
My favorite season is spring.
Do you enjoy winter?
Yes, I like the cold weather.
Do you celebrate birthdays?
Yes, I always celebrate with friends.
When is your birthday?
My birthday is in August.
Do you like parties?
Yes, I enjoy small gatherings.
Do you enjoy dancing?
Yes, I love dancing at parties.
What's your favorite holiday?
My favorite holiday is Christmas.
Do you like festivals?
Yes, I enjoy cultural festivals.
Do you go to concerts?
Yes, I've been to a few concerts.
What's the best concert you've seen?
The best one was Coldplay's concert.
Do you like photography?
Yes, I take photos in my free time.
Do you use social media?
Yes, I use Instagram and Facebook.
How often do you use Instagram?
I check it every day.
Do you like traveling by plane?
Yes, I enjoy flying.
Do you like road trips?
Yes, I love road trips with friends.
Have you been to the mountains?
Yes, I went last summer.
Do you like camping?
Yes, I enjoy camping outdoors.
Do you like cooking at home?
Yes, I cook almost every day.
Do you eat out often?
Yes, I go out twice a week.
What is your favorite restaurant?
My favorite restaurant is an Italian place downtown.
Do you like spicy food?
Yes, I love spicy food.
Do you enjoy desserts?
Yes, I love chocolate cake.
Do you like ice cream?
Yes, my favorite flavor is vanilla.
Do you enjoy learning new languages?
Yes, I'm learning Spanish now.
Which languages do you speak?
I speak English and French.
Do you like driving?
Yes, I drive almost every day.
Do you have a car?
Yes, I have a small hatchback.
Do you use public transport?
Yes, I take the bus to work.
Do you like meeting new people?
Yes, I enjoy making friends.
Are you an introvert or extrovert?
I'm more of an extrovert.
Do you like reading the news?
Yes, I read the news every morning.
Do you prefer newspapers or apps?
I prefer news apps.
Do you enjoy gardening?
Yes, I grow flowers at home.
Do you like technology?
Yes, I'm interested in gadgets.
Do you use a smartphone?
Yes, I use it every day.
Which phone do you use?
I use an iPhone.
Do you watch YouTube?
Yes, I watch tutorials and vlogs.
Do you enjoy cooking shows?
Yes, I find them inspiring.
Do you like learning online?
Yes, I take online courses.
Do you read blogs?
Yes, I read travel blogs.
Do you enjoy art?
Yes, I love visiting art galleries.
Do you like museums?
Yes, I visit museums when I travel.
Do you enjoy writing?
Yes, I write short stories.
Do you keep a diary?
Yes, I write in my diary daily.
Do you enjoy spending time alone?
Yes, sometimes I like quiet time.
Do you enjoy shopping online?
Yes, I buy books and clothes online.
Do you enjoy playing video games?
Yes, I play racing games.
Do you like board games?
Yes, I enjoy playing chess.
Do you like puzzles?
Yes, I love solving crossword puzzles.
Do you like learning history?
Yes, I find history interesting.
Do you watch documentaries?
Yes, I watch nature documentaries.
Do you enjoy volunteering?
Yes, I help at a local charity.
Do you like cooking for others?
Yes, I enjoy inviting friends for dinner.
Do you enjoy photography trips?
Yes, I take my camera everywhere.
Do you enjoy long walks?
Yes, I walk in the park every evening.
Do you enjoy sunrises?
Yes, I wake up early to watch them.
Do you enjoy sunsets?
Yes, I love watching sunsets at the beach.